Welcome to Cooking with AGParts Education. I am your host, Laura Sesar, and today we will be cooking up this great recipe for the fall and this chilly weather. We will be making a Chromebook. Now let's get started by preheating our oven to 125 degrees. To make the stuffing, we're going to mix these small components together with these cables. Just fold them in together ever so gently, and don't forget to scrape the sides of the bowl. Now that we have our stuffing ready, we are going to prepare our Chromebook. Let's start by placing the bottom cover down. No need to grease the pan. We're going to add our battery and our motherboard, and now we're going to put that stuffing in. Remember to be gentle with these parts. And don't worry about where they land. That'll all get worked out in the oven, of course. So we put the palm rest down, and then we're gonna put the bezel and the LCD screen. All these parts you need, they're so great, especially when you put them together, just like that. Now don't forget to put your hinge sets and your hinge covers off to the side, and my favorite part, we're gonna add a ton of screws. You can never have too many screws. Oh, beautiful. Now we will put the Chromebook into the oven. And now we wait 6 hours. 6 hours. 6 hours. She did what? I'm calling Jamie right now. Yes! Ooh, these are good. Finally ready! Let's take this Chromebook out of the oven. Oh, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. And I love the smell of Chromebook in the morning. I wish you guys at home could smell this. Well, that's all for today, folks. Thank you so much for joining me. For more Chromebook and possibly some baking tips, please come visit me at the GaETC conference in College Park, Georgia. I hope to see you there.